What will be your answer if I ask you to tell me who you are? I know that I'll get a diverse set of answers from different people, but my humble question to you will be, whatever attribute you're attaching to yourself, are they the ones that your soul speaks of? Well, let me try to elaborate this a little bit today. I'm sure that I'll find very few people among you who have never been through a state of existential or identity crisis ever in their lives. Because existential crisis is universal, we all go through it. But speaking of it, every time you get through it, what are the thoughts that typically cloud your head? Most probably those revolve around your identity or your anxiety or fear of the unknown or the consequences of an action you took. Being human, coming and going of all of these thoughts are quite normal. The problem arises when we tend to base our whole identity around these thoughts. You as a human are a sovereign being, capable of having a sovereign set of thoughts, feelings, and belief systems. And every unique thing about yourself makes you the unique existence that the Almighty created very dearly. Being human at times, when everything around you makes you wonder about your intent, know that the only person who's capable to judge you is you. If you can look into the mirror and face that image, knowing you have never harmed or caused pain, suffering, or agony to anyone, know that you have done enough as a good being. And even if you've hurt someone, you can just say a sorry and move on. There will always be people who are adamant to misunderstand you, no matter how much good intent you hold in your heart. As a result, when you give other people the baton to declare your identity, you'll end up clueless every time, as the definition will vary from your own judgment about yourself, and you'll keep wondering about the truth. You neither need anyone's approval, nor you are in any dire need to prove yourself, as long as you can look into the mirror and say to yourself, I know I've been honest to myself as a benevolent human being.